Well, hello fellow campers and canoe trippers. I've got a little something different for us today. I go around to yard sales and I usually don't pay any more than $4 or $5 or something, but I found this Swiss Army knife at a yard sale and they wanted $20 for it. It was missing one of the scales and the one on this side was cracked, but I could see it did have the Swiss Army emblem on it. So I told him $15 because it had cracked scales on it. Well, I got it for that, and then I got a new set of scales from a fellow up in Canada. Well, what it is a motorist, like motoring around in your car. The ones that were made before 1985 had a St. Christopher medal on them. Okay, this is the same as the new Huntsman Swiss Army knife, only the Huntsman doesn't have any pliers on it. Apparently there were many different kinds of Motorists made. Well, let's take a quick look at this one. It has the usual Swiss Army big and smaller knife. It also has a pair of scissors. It has the saw, and it has, for fixing your car, a very nice set of pliers. I like the way these Swiss Army knives just click close like this. I don't know how much car fixing you could do with a pair of pliers like that, but there it is. It also has a little thing in here for closing up wire, and like all Swiss Army knives, it has the can opener and the bottle opener with the wire stripper and the big and small screwdrivers. Okay, now on the other side we have a couple interesting things. Of course, it has the corkscrew. Some of the Motorist models have the Phillips head. It has the awl on it with a little hole in it, and next to the awl is this gizmo. It's a hook with a little knob on the end. Now I looked around the web to try and find out what this little hook was about. Some people say it's for carrying packages. Apparently in Europe they wrap packages up with string. You're supposed to catch the string and use this to help carry things home. I think it's used in conjunction with the awl, which has a hole in it, for putting a piece of twine in and then grabbing it with the hook and pulling it through. It also has this smaller, tiny little screwdriver. So there it is. It has the other usual things that a Swiss Army knife has, the toothpick and the tweezers. But I thought for $15 that was a great buy at a yard sale. These Motorist knives are really not available. They're discontinued, and I'm told the only place you can really find them now is at eBay in Germany. So finding one here in Minneapolis, I thought, was a really good deal. So if I'm ever out motoring around in the canoe car and I need to fix something, I guess I have all the tools here and I'm ready to go. Alright, so hang in there. I have some more canoe tripping videos coming up later.